In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist an IP address in Microsoft Defender Firewall. Whether you're setting up a new server, adding a trusted device to your network, or simply ensuring that a specific IP can bypass your firewall rules, this guide will walk you through each step to do just that. To begin, locate the Start button on your Windows taskbar, which is usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen. Alternatively, you can click on the magnifying glass icon, conveniently positioned right next to the Start button. Once you have the search bar open, type in Microsoft Defender or Windows Security. This should bring up the Windows Security app in your search results. Go ahead and click on it to open the application. Once you're inside the Windows Security app, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll want to click on Firewall and Network Protection. This section is crucial, as it provides you with all the options necessary to fine-tune your firewall settings. Next, you need to select the Advanced Security option. This will take you deeper into the more detailed settings of your firewall, where you can create, manage, and edit your rules. Now that you're in the Advanced Settings area, look to the left-hand menu again and click on Inbound Rules. This section is where you'll define which incoming connections should be allowed or blocked based on the rules you will establish. Over on the right-hand side of this window, you'll notice an Actions pane. Here you will find the option New Rule. Click on it to initiate the process of creating a new rule. You'll be greeted with a selection menu. For your purpose, choose Custom and then click Next. This selection allows you to have comprehensive control over the parameters you're about to define. Subsequently, you need to choose whether this new rule will apply to all programs or a specific program. Make your selection based on what you need, and then click Next to proceed. Moving on to the Scope section, focus on the area that says, which remote IP addresses does this rule apply to? Here, you'll select these IP addresses to specify exactly which IP addresses you wish to whitelist. Click the Add button and a dialog box will appear. Enter the IP address or addresses you want to whitelist into this box, then click OK. Afterwards, click Next. When prompted, be sure to choose Allow the connection, as this is necessary for the IP address you're whitelisting to have access as intended. Click Next once more. Now it's time to select the security profiles this rule should apply to. Typically, you might choose among domain, private, or public. Select the ones that are relevant to your setup, and then click Next. Finally, provide a name that describes the new rule you've just created, such as Allow from Whitelisted IP. Consider adding a brief description to remind yourself or others of the rule's purpose. Once that's done, hit Finish. And that's it. You have successfully created a rule to whitelist an IP address in Microsoft Defender Firewall. Your system will now recognize the specified IP as a trusted source, thanks to your newly implemented firewall rule. Thank you for joining, and we hope this guide has been helpful.